Managing environments require constant monitoring. Without it, your entire system is at risk of failure. Sonicu is an Internet of Things technology company with a full suite of remote monitoring applications and integrated software to help you manage and protect your environment, assets, and processes with precise real-time data and fail-safe tailored alarming. Sonicu manufactured sensors deploy easily to monitor temperature, humidity, air pressure, and more. The platform integrates seamlessly with other commercially available sensors, and our sensor-to-cloud data transmission is easily accomplished. Most importantly, our sensors are completely wireless and can transport data through cellular modem, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. Through this data, Sonicu enables you to access powerful alarms, dashboards, and reports. 24/7 365 smart alarming protects your business while reducing alarm fatigue using threshold buffers and delays. Live, real-time customer-branded dashboards display current status of multiple locations using state-of-the-art charts and analytics for a comprehensive view of your business. And finally, SonicCloud allows data to be auto-formatted into standardized and custom reports for regulatory compliance or advanced analytical reporting to measure the metrics important to your business. Sonicu provides custom solutions to help you meet your specific business objectives for a variety of applications. A smart, scalable, cloud-based automated monitoring system can save your enterprise time and money, improve safety, and add value. This is why Sonicu is the #1 choice for hospitals, health departments, universities, research facilities, manufacturing, and cold storage warehousing. Want to know how you can improve your business's monitoring? Schedule a demo today.